one network is given. Okay, and another network is given. Okay. So this is 2 ohm, this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm, and this is 2 ohm. Correct. So the two port networks are given, and these are connected like this. Okay, these are connected here. So what this connection is called? This is one two-port network. This is another two-port network, and it is connected like this. This output of first is connected to the input of second. So what this connection is called? This is cascade network. The question is actually calculate the T parameters of network A and B, then calculate the T parameters of the complete circuit. Okay, like this, it is connected. So now first, this is this small circuit. So let us create it, redraw it, and we will solve it for ABCD parameters. Now, if you remember the earlier formulas, I told you how to remember that V1, V2, I1, I2, V1, I2, I1, V2, and V1, I1 equals to. So what is remaining? V1, I1, V2 is remaining, and I2 is remaining, minus I2. Here minus is there, V2, I2. A, B, C, D. So these are the equations for ABCD parameters. So here it is 2 ohm, here it is 1 ohm. So let us calculate for V1 first. Sorry, A first. A is equals to V1 upon V2 when I2 is equals to 0. I2 is equals to 0 means it is open circuited, so like this only. Okay, oh, it is open circuited already, so I2 will be 0. Now, what is the value of V1 and V2? So we will have to connect V1 here, it is suppose 1 volt. Now you can see what is the value of V2, because this is open circuited. So whatever voltage is across this, no current is passing here. Whatever the voltage is here, suppose this is ground, that will go through here only. And this will go to here only. So V2 will also be 1 volt. So value of A is equals to 1 volt. Correct. Or you can directly write 1. Okay, because there will be no unit. Now for B, how to calculate B? B is equals to minus V1 upon I2 when V2 is equals to 0. So now what you will have to do? For this condition, you will have to connect V1 here. So V1 is equals to 1 volt. You can write, and here you can short circuit it. Why? Because V2 is given as 0. So if it is short circuited, V2 is 0. Correct. So V1 is what? 1 volt. This is 1 ohm and this is 2 ohm. So what will be the current passing through this is, you can see, it is because 1 volt is here, so 1 volt will be here also. Okay. So 1, here 0. So 1 minus 0 upon 1. So current passing through this direction will be 1 ampere. Correct? So it will be 1 ampere. Now what will happen? Now what will happen? The direction of I2 is like this. So I2 you can calculate is equal to minus 1 ampere. Correct. So what is the value of B? B is V1 upon I2, that is minus V1 is 1 upon I2 is minus 1. So B is also 1. Similarly, to calculate C, how to calculate C here? To calculate C, you will have to calculate I1 upon V2. Okay. I1 upon V2 when when T is equals I1 upon V2 when I2 is equals to 0. Correct. I1 upon V2 when I2 is equals to 0. So now what you will have to do in this circuit, which we were using earlier also, in this circuit 2 ohm, 1 ohm. So here you will have to connect current source first. Okay. So it will be 1 ampere. Let's take it 1 ampere because I1 we have to take. So I1 is 1 ampere. Now what is the value of V2 you will have to calculate. So 1 into 2 because current will not be passing through here. Okay, because I2 is 0. So 1 into 2 is 2 volts. So C is equals to 1 upon 2. Okay, so 1 ampere upon 2 volts. That is C. The unit will be value will be 0.5 and unit will be ohm inverse or mho you can write. Okay, so this is the C. Now what is the value of D? D is minus I1 upon I2 when V2 is equals to 0. Correct. So D is, now what you will have to do? The same circuit you will have to take and I1, I2, V2 is equals to 0. So you will have to short circuit it. So V2 is equals to 0. Now I1 you connect here was 1 ampere. I2 is this one. So this is 2 ohm, this is 1 ohm. So what will be the current passing through this line? What will be the current? Okay, I told you already the shortcut method to solve it. When 1 ampere is passing and total 2 and 1, 3 ohm is there. So 3 parts you divide it. So one part is 0.33. Okay, so it is 2 ohm, it is 1 ohm. So 0.33 into 2 will be passed here. This is the shortcut you should already know. Otherwise, you can calculate it as 1 ampere multiplied by 2 upon 2 plus 1. That is equals to 2 upon 3, 0.67 ampere. Will be passing here. So value of I2 will be what? I2 is equals to minus of 0.67 ampere. Why? Because I2 is in this direction, the current is coming in this direction. So the value of D you will see is, value of D is what? Minus I1 upon I2. So minus I1 is 1, I2 is minus 0.67, that is 1 upon 0.67 or 3 upon 2 or 1.5. Correct. So that is the value of T. The unit will be what? No unit. Okay, so like this you can calculate the ABCD parameters. Now you can see what are the ABCD parameters of first network. These are 1, 1, 0.5 and 1.5 of first network, T of network 1. Now I will not solve for T2, I will directly write the value of T2 here is, you can solve it on your own, this. Okay. By the similar method you can solve for T2 also. Okay, correct, or TB you can say. Now the main reason for this question is, what is the total value of T parameters when it is in cascade mode? That is equals to T1 and T2 matrix multiplication. So 1, 1, 0.5, 1.5 and 1.5, 1, 1.5, 1. Now do the matrix multiplication. How to do it? 1 into 1, 1 into 1.5, that is 1.5 plus 1 into 1.5. Correct. Now 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Correct. 0.5 into 1.5, that is 0.75 plus 2.25. Correct. And 0.5 into 1 plus 1.5 into 1. So what will be your total answer? 3, 2, this is 3, this is 2. So 3, 2, 3, 2. This is the final value of T parameters of then two networks were given and we calculated the T parameters for both the networks. Then we cascaded it. Okay, the formula I have already told you for cascade network. You should remember this one. Cascade networks, this one. Okay, A, B, C, D will be equal to A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash multiplied by A double dash, B double dash, C double dash and T double dash. Correct. So this is your question and this is the answer. So you should try to solve it again on your own.